I selected a series of cells and the first cell starts with a value of 5. On the Home tab, I'll go to the Fill command and I'll choose Series. I'll choose Linear with a step value of 3. When I choose OK, it's automatically increased all those values by 3. In Growth, I'd like to start with the number 5 and I'd like every value to be multiplied by 2. So I'll select the cells I'm interested in. I'll go back to Fill Series. I'll choose Growth and I'll tell it that I want each value multiplied by 2. When I choose OK, there's the result. With dates, I'd like to see the weekdays, so I'll put in a starting date, and then I'll select the cells. I'll go back up to Fill Series, and I'll choose Weekday, choose OK, and it skipped the weekends. And finally, in Autofill, I'd like the asterisks copied down to all these cells. I'll go back to Fill, Series, and I'll choose Autofill.